Your mind is your greatest asset or your greatest prison. The choice is yours. Today, we're diving into mindset mastery, the foundation for every success in life. Imagine unlocking a version of yourself capable of tackling challenges with confidence, clarity, and resilience. That version is already within you. We just need to bring it out. Mindset is the lens through which we see the world. A growth mindset lets us embrace challenges, learn from failure, and persist towards our goals. A fixed mindset keeps us stuck, fearful, and limited. Picture this, a 17-year-old with $1,000 and a dream to pay for college. Fred DeLuca opened his first sandwich store in Bridgeport, Connecticut. The first day was a flop, cold weather, no customers. Most would have quit. But Fred believed more stores meant more recognition, more opportunity. He pushed forward, opening more locations, refining costs and learning from failures, including a failed expansion in Japan, where cultural differences made his sandwiches too big for public eating. Fred's persistence turned Subway into the second largest fast food chain in the world. His lesson: setbacks aren't dead ends. They're lessons guiding you to success. Who on earth would want to watch music on television? That's what critics said to Robert Pittman in 1980. He imagined a 24/7 music video channel for young audiences. Everyone thought it was crazy, but Pittman stayed committed, used creative marketing like David Bowie and Mick Jagger shouting, "I want my MTV," and obsessively studied youth culture, even posters on bedroom walls. Within 2 years, MTV aired on 1,775 cable networks, shaping pop culture worldwide. His story reminds us bold ideas, persistence, and learning from feedback turn skeptics into believers. Ask yourself, what happens when a younger sibling refuses to be overshadowed by a controlling older brother? William Kellogg worked under his overbearing brother John at Battle Creek Sanitarium. By accident, he created the first cornflakes. John didn't want to commercialize it, but William did. He raised capital, took risks, and marketed cleverly. Trinkets in cereal boxes, newspaper ads, and clever stunts. William transformed a small accidental invention into a global brand. Today, Kellogg's is sold in 160 countries. His lesson: resilience, creativity, and courage can turn limitations into opportunities. How do you save a company on the brink of collapse without abandoning its heritage? Wendell and Wiedeking faced this challenge at Porsche in 1993. Sales were collapsing, the company inefficient, and the product line outdated. He overhauled management, optimized production using Japanese methods, introduced the Boxster to broaden appeal, and later launched the controversial Canaan SUV. Each step required courage, vision, and innovation while respecting the brand's legacy. Porsche rebounded and thrived. Lesson: transformational change starts from the top, but vision, courage, and discipline can revive even the most challenged organization. J.K. Rowling was rejected multiple times before publishing Harry Potter. She saw rejection as fuel, not favor. Olympic athletes fail hundreds of times in training before achieving success. Carol Dweck's groundbreaking research distinguishes between two primary mindsets: fixed and growth. Fixed mindset: belief that abilities and intelligence are static and unchanged. Growth mindset: belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Dweck's studies have shown that individuals with a growth mindset tend to outperform those with a fixed mindset in various domains. For instance, her research indicates that students with a growth mindset demonstrate greater resilience, higher academic achievement, and a more positive approach to challenges. Additionally, Dweck's longitudinal studies reveal that adopting a growth mindset can lead to sustained improvements in performance over time. These findings underscore the transformative power of mindset in shaping personal and professional success. Here's some practical action steps. 1. Identify one limiting belief. 2. Reframe it into a growth-oriented statement. 3. Practice this thought daily, especially when challenges arise. Here's some free advice. Celebrate small wins to build confidence and momentum. Close your eyes, imagine yourself handling a current challenge successfully. Visualize the steps, the emotions, and the outcome. Open your eyes and write down one concrete action you can take today that aligns with this visualization. You have the power to rewire your mind. Every thought can be a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Keep pushing forward. Every challenge is a chance to grow stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Mindset shapes your life. Embracing a growth mindset opens doors to personal and professional success. Today, pick one negative thought and transform it into a growth opportunity. Commit to practicing this daily for a week. Believe in your potential. The best version of you is waiting to emerge. You've got this.